You
Cut
can't.
the wrong side of the line. Rookie mistake. Forget to factor in the saw curve.
Is somebody supposed to help me hold this? Testing out the nail gun.
That works good.
It came out.
Oh yeah. I think. Let me try 60. These work good. Ooh, 55.
I'm not sure you can see the help that we have today. We're so excited, but right now they're both laying down on different flat spots. I'm sure they're ready to get up and work, right? Our sneakers.
Just a word of advice to him on the outside of this staging plank, because that plywood in the middle's getting pretty rotted. You guys got it? You got it for a minute, mate?
Mace, you got it. You got it, baby. You got the beam, Mason. Holding you from behind. You're safe.
Okay, I'm gonna cheat it my way a little bit.
Dad, give me it over here so I can get two in here. So we can stop holding it. I missed that one.
And you're gonna push that tight wicket here. I'll switch places with you, Mason.
No, Dad.
Mason just switched places.
Hold on, where are you? I gotta keep it fresh. Hold on, no.
Let me know when you're good.
Mason, you have the stairs right there.
Make sure it goes
It's
right
okay.
perpendicular.
They'll hold you up.
Yeah.
I got.
Oh no, I'm just holding the plywood up.
Then hold the plywood, not the guy. It's like a gunshot.
It is.
You ever been in between?
You gotta hold that end up, man.
Tight.
You ever been in between like joists, and then or like in between bays, and then you use the nail gun, and your head's like, oh, I got it. Don't worry. Jesus.
I can turn these up. Oh, yeah, hold on. Jesus. You're gonna bend. Don't.
5 times.
Somebody thinks he's getting the potatoes.
Oh, the air compressor.
Plugged in.
Perfect. You gotta put the chuck in it here, so.
That's a big spider. I put my hand down there to show you, but I don't want to get too close. Where'd he go? Oh, there he is.
Vice grip.
Yep.
Vice grip.
Look up. I need somebody's help.
Got it. Dibs. Mom, get a video of me climbing up here.
He's gonna knock his father off.
Tight. Let's get all the kickback. So I gotta hold it in.
Yeah.
Dad, you need to put deodorant on, bro.
Straight up. Not an angle, straight up.
You okay?
Ow! Ah! Huh?
We got 2 more screws out of it.
Could you?
So the first time you guys learned that what? You didn't screw it from the
You
both
only screwed it
sides?
from one side down. And Mason almost killed Dad. It snapped and it went.
Here, hold that, bub.
Oof.
Just swung.
Yikes.
Could have. If Dad was up there, he probably would have died or broken something.
That would have been in rough shape, I think.
Yeah. Probably would. This treehouse probably wouldn't have been finished for another 3 years. Maybe ever.
You need to hold that.
Alright.
Move.
So then,
Now.
So now
you bring it up there.
This is Mason's end.
Cause look. And this is Maddie Daddy's end.
Yep. So now we'll put it up on the...
It's like that.
Mason, make that. Don't let that thing hit you in the face.
You got it?
Yeah, I got it. Hold on, let me get one nail in it first.
No, you gotta get one in this corner. Leg up. Right.
Yep, that's good.
Woo!
Thank you.
Now we need the screw up here.
Yeah, hold on.
Well, there's a big old tarp up there covering what we did. Some of the boards on that thing are covered in a tarp. And we're calling it for today, Saturday.
The boys have been helping me yesterday and today getting the zip sheathing up on the bottom, and that'll help us hold the insulation in place before we put in the Advantech subfloor. So it's starting to look good. We're probably actually about halfway done. I did use ring shank nails, so I'm hoping that's enough to hold them up there. Probably should have glued them, but worst case scenario, I can come back and screw everything up there just to make sure it stays up there. But we'll give it some time and see how it performs, I guess. So we are done for the weekend. It's raining a little bit, but the boys have gone home. And Sunday afternoon, and we're tired.
Yeah, we're tapped out. We have nothing left to give today. We just had a family reunion thing that we
did.
came back from, so that was fun.
It was fun.
Nice to see people. And
We got 5 sheets up.
yeah, the zip system is
Half
up
installed.
above, and yeah, it looks good. It's promising. It's a little less scary
Yeah.
to walk up there right now.
So we will see you guys on the next one.
Yes.
All right. Thanks for
All right,
watching.
Thanks for watching. Please
Bye.
like and subscribe.
Thanks. Bye. Oh, wrong side of the line.
Just like that, you slide it in there. Push them all the way up. Take this. Slide them up like that, and boom, you got it ready.
Ooh,
That's how you put nails into a chalkboard.
nice.
And then you shoot it like this.
Don't do that, please.
I just really want to try it once.
Oh boy. Goodness, are you trying to get me? I feel like he's doing that on purpose.
Huh?
I feel like you're trying to get me.
Whoopsie daisies. Still got it.